Hey, I am Obo. Let's learn about tree parts. Let's start from the bottom. These are roots. Tree roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Tree roots also support the tree so that it doesn't fall over. This is a trunk. Tree trunk is needed to transport water, food, nutrients from one part to the other. This is a branch. These are leaves. Leaves use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and do photosynthesis to prepare food and release oxygen. Therefore, photosynthesis happens only during the daytime. This is tree crown. Tree crown includes everything above the trunk. Now let's see how much you remember. What are these called? Excellent. What is this part called? Excellent. What is this part called? Excellent. What are these called? Excellent. What is this part called? Wrong answer. Correct answer is crown. Hope you enjoyed the lesson.